This is the Lypertek Soundfree S30, the first ever bone conduction headphone model from Lypertek. It is IP68, meaning that it is dust tight and waterproof. And this open ear bone conduction headphones is suitable for sports, swim and everyday life. Now it comes with Bluetooth 6.0 and has got a MP3 Dual mode, where you can load your favorite songs into the built-in 32 gig memory. It has got 3 presets equalizer modes: the bass mode for heavy beats and low-end power, the balance mode for clean, neutral listening, and the vocal mode to bring voices and dialogue into focus. Best of all, it is feather light, weighing at a mere 23 grams. So let's dive in and unbox this headphone. These are the contents in box. Before using the headphones, we recommend that you charge it first. You can use the magnetic cable that comes in box, and the charge takes about 2.5 hours. Note that the battery capacity for this headphone is 140 mAh with a continuous playback time of 8 hours. Once the headphone is charged, it is ready for use. Let's power on the headphone by pressing on the power button for 3 seconds. At the first power on, you are ready for pairing, and the LED will be blinking red and blue. Now, from our mobile phone, go to your Bluetooth settings. It has discovered the Lypertek S30. Let's pair. Once it's paired, you can play some music. To play the music, press on the multifunction button once. Now, to go to the next track, press on the button twice. To go back to the previous song, press on the button 3 times. And if you want to stop the playback, simply press on the button once. To do a volume up, press on the power button. To reduce the volume, press on the light button. Let's stop the playback. So this is how you play music using the headphone. Next, let us show you how to answer and reject calls. So for an incoming call, to answer the call, press on the MFP button or multifunction button once. And once the call is done, you may press once to end the call. In order to reject a call, simply press on the MFP button for 2 seconds. So this is how you answer and end calls as well as reject calls using the headphone. So another good feature for this pair of headphones is that it has got night safety lights. In order to activate it, you press on the light button for 3 seconds. And you can see that the LED will be glowing red. This is the night safety lights that you can use for this headphone. Now to turn it off, simply press on the light button for 3 seconds. and it is now switched off. So this is the Lypertek Soundfree S30. So check out the link in the video description to purchase the product at a discount.